start growing teeth up to age 5. And they have how many teeth? 20 teeth, 10 on the top and 10 on the bottom. And then you have the other tooth on the other side, that's right. Okay?
About 50 to 100 hair falls out each day while you're washing your hair, brushing or...
إسلامي 5 شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمدا رسول الله. الصلاة بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
We are on time. He said to come at 6.